a fine balance. A balanced diet. We cannot eat only fruits. We need something more. We cannot eat only vegetables. We need something more. We must try and eat a little of all types of food every day. We should eat food which gives us proteins, carbohydrates, fats, calcium and iron, vitamins. Different foods give us different things. Let us see what we get from a few food items. We are rich in proteins. We help your body to grow. We are rich in carbohydrates, fats. We give you energy. We are rich in calcium, iron. You need us for strong teeth and healthy bones. We give you different vitamins. Vitamins keep you well. They help to keep your skin, eyes, teeth and digestive system in good health. We must have plenty of clean water every day. Water removes waste products from our body. We should always eat fresh food. Children should eat 4 meals a day. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, snacks in the evening and dinner at night. We should have our meals at fixed times every day.
Long ago, man ate raw food.
They ate grass and chewed the roots of plants. They hunted wild animals and birds and ate them raw. Then somebody discovered fire. They all cooked their food after that. You have to boil us before eating. You have to fry us before eating. You have to steam us before eating. You have to bake us before eating.
You have to roast us or fry us before eating.
You have to cook us before eating. You have to peel us before eating. We can be eaten raw.